Okay, yeah, I'm gonna try to do a Dollar Tree DIY, trying to make a balloon cake, like the heart-shaped cakes, with some pool noodles, some masking tape, balloons, of course, and some of this packaging tape. Y'all, go to masking tape. Let's see what it do.
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. That's too long for a nigga so cheap. And flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Blue the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the fight is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shipping only cause you know you poppin'. Yeah, you got it.
Okay, y'all. I thought I was gonna have enough duct tape to circle it. Guess what? I didn't. So now I have to make up some more stuff, which is not bad. That is the name of the game. So now I just got to work on a different design, but I wanted to show what I have so far of the cake. The heart cake. I could see my vision. We're going to just pray that it comes together, guys. But so far, so good. It's still like a heart, at least. Booyah. Okay, y'all. I wrapped it with yarn since I didn't have enough masking tape. And that's what it looks like so far. I am in love already, guys. So, next step is I want to fill it with pink balloons. These balloons right here. And freestyle the rest, y'all. This is all freestyle. I have literally no clue what the heck I'm doing, okay? So, yeah. But I'm loving it so far.
You got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. No, baby, in a bag, in a Birkin. No, 9 to 5, put the work in. Doors and doors, love them all to me, you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, give you my last name. I know you're tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, 'cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it.
Yeah, like I mentioned, this is straight freestyle. It's a lot of things that I probably would have changed. But guess what? For the most part, it is coming together. Because it's supposed to be a cake, guys. But I like it. I like it. It's giving me, y'all. So I'm not finished yet. I got one more thing to add. And then I'll show y'all the finished results. But, yeah. Okay, y'all, this is my finished product, whatever, y'all. Oh, my God. I love the way it turned out. I'm not going to lie to you. Would I do things differently? Of course I would. But overall, I ain't mad at it, y'all. I'm not mad at it. I'm actually surprised and very pleased. So let me get off this ladder and just show y'all different angles. Because keep in mind, it's supposed to be a heart cake, heart-shaped cake. So to give, you know, the frosting and all the other different elements. And then I decided to put, like, the little miniature cupcakes on top just to, you know, add a little razzle-dazzle to it. But I think for the most part, I did what I wanted it to. It did what I wanted it to do. And I just think it's cute. And these are just coffee filters. And of course, yarn on top for like the little swirl, icing, or whatever the heck. All the material used in this project is pool noodles, ribbon, yarn, and of course, balloons, tape, anything I can find. Now, the only thing that's not attached is this part of the ribbon. That's taped on, but everything else, I could literally pick it up and everything will stay intact, which, hey, y'all, that by itself is a blessing because, yeah. But, yeah, I like it, guys.
You got it, girl.